Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn car driving alone. First, ensure you have a valid learner's permit and understand your local traffic laws. Begin your practice in a large, empty parking lot, perhaps one that is closed for the day. Spend about 30 minutes to 1 hour getting comfortable with the vehicle's basic controls, like the accelerator, brake, and steering wheel. This initial step is crucial for building confidence and muscle memory before hitting public roads. Once you are comfortable with the car's basic functions, focus on essential driving techniques. Practice smooth acceleration and gentle braking, aiming for a seamless stop and start. Dedicate time to steering, ensuring you can keep the car straight and make controlled turns. Spend at least 2 hours practicing various parking maneuvers, such as parallel parking between two cones or perpendicular parking into a designated spot. Repetition is key here. When you feel confident with basic maneuvers, it's time to transition to public roads. Begin on quiet residential streets during off-peak hours, perhaps for about 90 minutes. Pay close attention to all traffic signs, signals, and other vehicles around you. Practice maintaining a safe following distance, typically a 3-second gap. As your confidence grows, gradually introduce more complex routes and slightly busier roads, always staying within your comfort zone. To become a truly proficient driver, continue practicing in diverse conditions. Drive in light rain or at dusk to experience different visibility challenges. Focus on defensive driving, always looking ahead about 12 to 15 seconds to anticipate potential hazards. After several weeks of solo practice, consider a professional driving lesson to refine specific skills or address any lingering uncertainties. Consistent practice, perhaps for a total of 50 hours, will make you a safe and confident driver.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.